is coming here, so 180 degrees coming. Listen. You want back? Now, here, next is linear pair followed all of you. Vertically opposite angle. Those who know this and I know this one. They don't tell I know this one, but I forgot. Yes. Is that part wrong? Hello? You know you can raise a hand. You know? And then raise a hand. Yes. Yes, when two lines are meeting, intersecting, opposite angles are called vertically opposite angle. Look here, you don't need to write all the definitions and all. This way, when two lines intersect opposite angles. If you're going to write all things, you know, it will be books and books only, you will be filling only. AOD and BOC, they are called vertically opposite angles. Understood or not? Definitions are not important, you should understand what is it. What is the other pair? AOC and BOD. This is the second pair of vertically opposite. And what is the property of the vertically opposite angle? They are always equal. When two lines intersect, opposite angles are called which angles? Vertically opposite angles. Are you followed or not? Okay. So we spoke about complementary, supplementary, adjacent angle, linear pair angle, vertically opposite angle. Corresponding we said. We are going to tell them. Listen. Huh? Now, next is we are going to talk about transversal. Have you heard about the word transversal? You know what is a transversal? Girls, transversal. It is not necessary to a line which intersect two lines. This is line L, M and N. Which is a transversal here? Line L is Ammai. It's not for you, no. Your friend is outside, that's why. Huh? He's hard, no? Stand up there. You know what are vertically opposite angles? Then what are vertically opposite angles? Two lines in there. Tell me vertically opposite angle over here. Name. AB. AB. Vertical angle. AB is an angle. That's it. Listen in the class. Okay. You are coming to sleep nights. What do? You sleep only. At home you sleep. No, doesn't sleep. On to name the angle 1. Huh? PQB. Yes or no? PQB or BQP. Sit down. Name angle 3. Have you seen angle 3? Tell fast here. AQB. B is where? AQB. This is AQB. AQ where? R or AQS. Sit down. Name angle 6.
Angle 6. NRS.
N? Acha. There is no N. Okay. Now.
DRS.
DRS. Follow all of you. Satvik. Angle 7. SS. SRC. Sit down. Now we are going to talk about this one. Finally, you have come. What's the other one? Yet to Yeah. Atharva. Do you know which are corresponding angles here? Do you know? Yes, tell fast. Do you know what are corresponding angles? Do you know which are vertically opposite angles? Don't know. Do you know which are vertically opposite angles? Yeah, but tell him what is one vertically opposite angle. Tell. Viraj. You can't. There is no vertically opposite angle. Very good. Smart. Do you know? Tell me one vertically opposite angle here. Do you know? Arey, tell yes or no. Rafiq. 4 and 2 are vertically opposite angle. 1 and 3 vertically opposite angle. 5 and 7, 6 and there is no. Okay, these are the vertically opposite angles. Are you followed? Do you know which are one corresponding angles over here? If you know, tell fast. Yes, Risha. Huh? 3 and 5 are vertical corresponding angles. Wrong. 1 and what is corresponding angle? 1 and wrong. 1 and what? 1 and 5. 2 and 6. 4 and 8. 3 and 7. They are called corresponding angles. 1 and 5, not 3 and 5. Understood or not? It look like F. F in any form. This one. Okay. This is called which one? Corresponding angles. Are you followed, all of you? Viraj, what is the property of corresponding angle?
They are equal.
When?
When the lines are parallel.
When the lines are parallel, corresponding. And the break, I will see to you. You are also come over there. We will settle to your matter also. Okay. Now, Mummy is at home now. No. Who is there at home? No. We'll call. Mobile numbers are there. No. No. These are that is important. No, this is not important. I am not talking. He is calling you and talking. Did you tell me that he is calling and talking to you? Then? So, the corresponding angles once again 1 and 5, 2 and 8, 2 and 6, 4 and 8, 3 and 7. Now I should look this way only, I should not move from here. When I move this side, all activity starts. Next, so the corresponding angle. Next set of angles is called alternate interior angles. Look here, these all I will not explain. These all angles will come in the figures, will come in the chapter. That time I will not explain. That's why I am telling this all. Alternate interior angles. Yes. Viraj. Huh? Do you know which are alternate interior angles? Tell now. 3 and 5, 2 and 8. That's all. Interior. Alternate interior angles are 3 and 5, 2 and 8. It's like Z formation. They are called alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles are always equal when the lines are parallel. Corresponding angles are equal, lines are parallel. Alternate interior angles are equal, lines are parallel. Are you followed? Now, next, third set of angles. It is called consecutive interior angles or interior angles on the same side of the transversal or co-interior angles. Any word, co-interior angles or interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Those who know, raise the hand. 2 and 5, 3 and 8. 2 and 5 and 3 and 8 are called the co-interior angles. It look like C or any form. C, vertex C will see. Okay. And what is the property of the co-interior angles? Co-interior angles are supplementary, add up to 180 degree. when the lines are parallel. Understood all of you? So, look now, 2 and 5, 3 and 8. Okay, they are called coined triangles. What happened?
Sir, can't we say 1 and 6?
1 and 6 are coined triangles. Huh? No, that is exterior. Now, understood all of you? What happened? What is your doubt? Hello, Shirisha, you have any problem? No problem. Then why you are talking? She is talking. Now, so we spoke about 3 set of angles. Amai, stand up. Tell me the corresponding angles.
2 and 6.
2 and 6. What is the property of the corresponding angle? Very good. Ask him now, he will tell. These all not required now. Yes, Rafiq, tell the corresponding angle property to him. They are equal. When they are equal? When the lines are parallel. I cannot explain every time, okay? Now, sit down. So, corresponding angles we said 1 and 5, 2 and 6, 4 and 8, 3 and 7. This is the 5th time I am telling. And they are equal when the lines are parallel. And alternating angles 2 and 8, 3 and 5. They are equal when the lines are parallel. Third one, co-interior angles 2 and 5, 3 and 8. What is the property? When the lines are parallel, they add up to 180 degree. Okay, this much is clear now. Okay, these are the angles are coming. These are the properties, different angles and all. Now we are going to the next one. Is called triangle. Okay, Maitreyi, what's a triangle? 3 sides and all angles 180 to 180 degree. Little more proper way you can tell. Is all studied in the last year. Stand up there. Anything else? It is a polygon of 3 sides. Last year you studied or not? What about polygon? Yes, what is the polygon? Yes. Cross where 2 sides are line segments. The minimum number of sides is what? 3. And polygon of 3 sides is called a triangle. Polygon of 4 sides, quadrilateral. What is polygon of 4 sides? Loudly. Quadrilateral. Polygon of 5 sides, pentagon. Polygon of 6 sides, hexagon. Okay, till 10 sides you should know. Okay. Tata? Yeah. Sit down. Polygon. Triangle means, listen here. Triangle. How many sides are there? 3. How many angles are there? 3. Some of the angles? 180. Some of the sides? Who said that 360? Some of the sides can vary triangle to triangle. It is called its perimeter, that is perimeter varies. Whereas the sum of the angles will come as always equal to 180. What is this 360? You even remember? Quadrilateral. Sum of the exterior angles of a triangle is equal to 360 degrees. Okay, exterior angle taken in pair. All have you seen one exterior angle? Second exterior angle? Yes or no? Third exterior angle? This way, sum of this one is equal to 360. Not this and this is opposite. One exterior angle, second exterior and third exterior angle. Add up to how much? 360. Okay. Now, triangle types of triangles we are going to discuss now. Okay. First one. Have you heard about an acute angle triangle? 2 angles only. You know. I think you tell now, you don't need to look here and there. Do you know? Acute angle triangle. All angles are acute. In a triangle, then first, in a triangle, if all the angles are acute, that triangle is called acute angle triangle. their sum should be 180. Right triangle, all of you know?
Yes, sir.
One angle is equal to 90 degree. I get two angles are equal. No, I thought you are making, I've seen these ones stuff. Remove both of them, okay? But I have seen, you're doing all these things only quickly. Yeah. Satvik, listen. Right triangle. What is the right triangle? One angle is 90 degree. How about the other two angles? I cube and add up to 90. Two angles add up to 1. So one angle is equal to 90 degree. Other two angles are acute and add up to 90 degree. They are called the complementary angles. Okay. Hypotenuse and all of you know it. Okay. Obtuse triangle. Obtuse triangle. Obtuse triangle. One angle is more than or one angle is obtuse. And how about the other two angles? Acute. Okay, in a triangle, if one angle is obtuse and the other two angles will be acute. That triangle is called which one? Obtuse triangle. If three sides are unequal, scalene triangle. What about? What is it? Huh? Three sides are unequal, that triangle is called which one? Scalene triangle. Understood? If two sides are equal, there's somebody used to tell you, no? So, two sides are equal, that triangle is called the isosceles triangle. Do you know what are the properties of isosceles triangle? Only Viraj and only raised, others doesn't know. Two sides are equal and two angles are equal. Which are the two angles equal? Angles opposite to equal sides. What is the meaning of base angle? Who's the base angle? Yes, what is the meaning of base angles? Equal angles are called the base angles. Where is opposite angle? This is opposite. So everything will be opposite. Huh? It's also opposite. It's also opposite. Base angle means what? Equal angle. Unequal side is called the base. In a triangle, two sides are equal, and there is a third side is unequal. That side is called the base. The angle on the base is always equal.
One of the equal angles, equal sides is called the base.
Is it isosceles triangle?
Yes.
Okay. What are the equal sides? AB and BC. What is the base? Look here. For any triangle, base means a side. This can be base, this can be base, base. Then that base is coming in the area. Area is equal to half base into height. To which side height is drawn, that is called the base. In this case, what is the base? AC is the base, not BC is the base. Because area is half into AC into BD. Is it a perpendicular? I can't see. You can see a perpendicular. If it is drawn, then that is the base. Huh? What is not given? Now only find the area. Base, triangle base means a side. It can be AB, it can be BC, it can be AC. Which one is base means to the side to which the perpendicular is drawn. Here it is drawn. Here is another question. If it is drawn this one, then here it has how many bases? Two bases. If it is BD is the altitude, the base is AC. If AE is the altitude, base is BC. Understood all of you? So then here area is you can take half BC into AE or half AC into D. That is according to both are same thing. Okay, now in an isosceles triangle, the unequal side is called the base. Understood now? No problem. Viraj, you all are following. Equilateral triangle, do you know? All sides are equal and all angles are equal to 60 degree. Okay, this is that triangle. Later I will talk about the properties after starting. Okay. Properties we go to 2 million and all. This way okay now. Let's quickly go to the quadrilaterals. You know quadrilateral now?
Yes,
What is the quadrilateral? Stand up. Tell. Please. Four-sided. Huh? Sit down. You know what is quadrilateral? Four-sided polygon. How many sides are there? Four. How many angles are there? How many vertices are there? How many diagonals are there? Two diagonals. All of you know what are they? Yes or no? What is sum of the angles of a quadrilateral? 360. Triangle is 180. Quadrilateral is equal to 360. Stand up. Come here. You know what is a trapezium? You know what is a trapezium? Draw a trapezium and show. Very difficult to draw. Then this is what? Trapezium. Why it is called a trapezium?
Because one side
Huh? Tell.
parallel sides and
One pair of
parallel.
opposite sides are parallel. Therefore, it is called a trapezium. Found out what is a trapezium? You are checking for trapezium. Okay. So, what is it? One pair of opposite sides are parallel. It is called a trapezium. Do you know what is? There is a special type of trapezium is there. Isosceles trapezium. Heard about? What is isosceles trapezium? Tell. Non-parallel sides are equal. If these two sides are equal, then that trapezium is called which one? Isosceles trapezium. You know what is an isosceles trapezium? Non-equal sides. Non-parallel sides. Go and draw a parallelogram. Where you are running? This many pen was there here. Draw. You know what is a parallelogram? Then draw it and show. Don't draw. Come here, Ayan. Oh, draw a parallelogram. Hello, all of you be quiet. Okay, so what is a parallelogram? Any figure bounded by 4 sections. So that is also closed figure bounded by. Can you tell what is a parallelogram? Both the opposite sides are parallel. Okay, both the opposite sides are parallel. What do you know? What are the properties of the parallelogram?
Yes.
Tell now. Huh?
Someone.
You tell something.
Okay. Both the sides are parallel.
No, that already said. Something else.
Sum is 360.
Sum is 360. What sum is 360?
Sum of all.
That is for every quadrilateral sum of the angle is 360. That is not special. Tell anything else. SB, tell a property of the parallel. Opposite angles are equal. Anything else? Wrong.
Opposite angles are parallel and equal. Sir, what I should be
Listen. Parallelogram properties. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. Listen. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. Opposite angles are equal. Diagonals bisect each other. What is the property? Diagonals bisect each other. Which is not right angle, only bisect each other. Don't add up lot of things. Okay, understood what is the meaning? If you not those are not followed, meaning is not followed. Listen here, meaning. And then tell what are the properties with the help of this. Tell. The parallel side, which are the parallel side? AD and BC are equal. How about AB and CD? Also equal. So you should tell now. Then, which are the angles equal? AD is the angle. Angle A is equal to angle C. Angle B is equal to angle D. Shirisha. Oh Shirisha. What is the discussion going on? Diagonals bisect each other means what? AQ and CQ are equal. DQ and PQ are equal. Okay, understood or not?
Yes, sir.
All of you know what is a rectangle. I don't need to draw now. Okay, shut up. Stand up. Tell me what is a rectangle.
Sir, a figure 9.
Figure having four sides is called rectangle.
Sir, opposite sides.
Figure having small sides and four sides are equal. Tell what is a rectangle. So all are rectangles now. Four sides are there, no? Huh? Then,
Sir, 90 degree.
no, so finally one can. Sir, this one. Sir, this one. Sir, this
Sir,
one.
there is a-
So things are. Yes.
Sir,
Tell what is a rectangle first. In a four-sided figure. So that means tell in a quadrilateral all angles are 90 degree. Or you said?
yes, sir.
Yeah, four-sided figure. Four-sided figure. So you said one thing, no? So finally I have to select what is that.
Sir,
Keep quiet. So all angles are 90 degree. What are the properties? Listen carefully. Diagonals are equal and all the properties of parallelogram. Are you followed? Rectangle means all the properties of parallelogram. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. Opposite sides are opposite angles are equal. In fact, all angles are equal. Diagonals bisect each other and diagonals are equal. Okay, understood? Viraj, follow or not? Come here. Fast. Go fast. Draw a rhombus. What is the rhombus it
Sir, all sides are equal.
No.
Diagonal bisect at 90 degree.
Then what is the rhombus first tell? Then
Four-sided polygon.
Or any four-sided polygon. So all sides are equal. That then why four-sided polygon in between that when I asked. Now look here. Rhombus. Rhombus is coming as in this one. If all sides a quadrilateral, if all sides are equal, then it is called a which one? Rhombus. Properties of the rhombus will come. Every property of the parallelogram plus diagonals at 90 degree. Are the diagonals equal?
Yes.
No. These are equal.
The bisect.
Bisect means what is the meaning? Bisect means midpoint. This is 5 means this is 5. This is 2 means this is 2. Okay, understood or not? Okay, diagonals are perpendicular. Rhombus. Are we followed? The way you are looking, you will like it over. Stand up there. Maitri. Go back. Why are you standing? You You stand there. Okay. Sirisha, stand up. Okay, you understand? What is a square? Loudly. All sides are equal and all angles are equal to how much? 90 degrees. What are the properties of the square you know? Every property, diagonals equal, diagonal bisect, diagonal perpendicular, all sides equal, all angles 90. Okay, square satisfy all the property. Why are you standing? I did not ask this thing. Okay. What is an arrowhead? You know what is the wrong? What is a kite? What is a kite? Kite is kite. Rhombus. Rhombus is a kite. Do you know what is a kite? Kite is kite. What is? Do you know? Kite means yes.
the kite is a quadrilateral with two sides equal.
Two-
With two adjacent sides.
Adjacent.
Both the pair of adjacent sides are equal. Kite is not a parallelogram. Kite is not a rhombus. Understood or not? If not a parallelogram, means never become rhombus or rectangle or square. Okay, kite is coming as this way. Two adjacent sides. Okay, equal. These two are equal. These two are equal. Okay, kite is coming here. Sit down. Now finally, what about what is arrowhead? Arrowhead means
हाँ,
it's
तो arrow के ऊपर वाला वो pointy वाला part.
the pointer.
अच्छा ये अरे boomerang है.
Look, if this vertex is toward the same side, it is coming as arrowhead. See here, these are equal. If this one bring down, it becomes a kite. Okay, yes.
सर वो दोनों angle equal है.
Angles are not equal. How is angles are? Angles are not equal. Okay, na? Alright. So, this way is the property is coming. In which all cases the angles is equal?
Square
Square
rectangle.
and rectangle, that's all. Rhombus. Rhombus diagonals are not equal. Which cases diagonals are perpendicular?
Rhombus.
Square and rhombus. Only these two cases. In rhombus, angles are not 90 degree. In square, angles are 90 degree. Understood? Now, the diagonals bisect in which all cases? Or parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, square. Okay, now this way. Now we are going to this all done. Next is part these all isosceles triangle. All these properties we have studied in the last year. Next is coming as even this also studied. Quickly I will tell. Triangle congruence. Do you know congruent objects? Yes. Those who know raise hand. Congruent objects. Yes. Xeroxcopy wala means objects are the same size and the same shape. Congruent objects means objects with the same size and the same shape. Whereas are you this one? You know what a congruent object stand up? So can you give an example of congruent objects? Two balls. Tennis ball. Okay, I'm the same company.
Congruence.
Congruence it is coming as like you. A pair of keys is not three
Triangle.
Hello. Okay.
Two Xeroxcopy.
Listen. Hello. Stop talking. Stop talking. Now, what is the meaning of the congruent means? When you superimpose, they overlap, means exactly coincides. It's not necessary to be this one. Okay.
Notebook के pages भी congruent.
Now, yes, you can take for example QT, the volume. Volumes are congruent. Okay, max volume 1 is congruent to max volume 1.
Sir, pages जाता है.
Max volume 1. अरे volume 1 में your pages लिखकर volume 1 pages are volume 1 increase volume. No, I am not tell volume 1 and volume 2. Understood? Like that you have to see this one. Volume 1 and volume 2 are not congruent. Okay, same size and the same shape. Nothing much to do. Remember, circles are they congruent? They are of equal radii. Spheres are they congruent? If they are of equal radius. Square are they congruent? If they are equal size. Equilateral triangle are they congruent? Equal size. Okay. Now, line segments, when do we say they are congruent? Their length is equal. If AB and PQ are 5 centimeter each, we say they are congruent. Oh, he is leaving congruence. No. You all don't sleep at night? No. What time you slept last night? Standard? Standard. You know what is standard? Till 1 o'clock you are studying, no? Project. Oh. Till what time? From what time to what time you did the project? 9 to 1. Till 9 o'clock what did you do? Maths homework. Poor boy, from here, reach over there, take the book, study. They keep quiet here. Nonsense, don't tell. Full time is the mobile only, na? Sit down. Now, listen. At a proper sleep, you sleep at least 6 hours. Till 1 o'clock sleep, that also you don't do. Here also don't study. Now, look here. When do we say two angles are congruent? They are equal in measure. 60, both are 60 degrees, then we say congruent. Or both are 45 degrees, they are congruent. When do we say two triangles are congruent?
When the sides and angles are equal.
Which sides and angles are equal?
Corresponding.
So open your notebook. You have written, open the notebook. Write chapter name, similarity. Chapter name, write down similarity. Similarity, written. Below right. Congruence. Congruence. Below right. Two triangles are said to be congruent. Two triangles are said to be congruent if two conditions. One, corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Second, corresponding sides are equal. Corresponding angles are equal, corresponding sides are equal. All of you wrote, two triangles are said to be congruent if this you must have studied in 7th standard. Congruent, no. It's not there, you never studied. Online, sir. Online. Yashmeet. Okay, I will also reduce you now. Quite easy. Now, corresponding side. Do you know what is the meaning of correspondence? Okay, look here. Do you know what is written over here? What is written? Yes, read. This girl. Shh. Loudly. Triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. Two triangles are congruent. Now, corresponding means angle A is equal to what? Angle P. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle C is equal to angle R. AB is equal to PQ. BC is equal to QR. AC is equal to half of the time you doesn't listen. Yeah, I'm listening. Yeah. Now, what did you write? Let me hear. After that, what did I tell? So, what are they called? Congruent. Now, these are the corresponding parts. Is it angle A is equal to angle Q? No. Okay. These are called CPCTC. Have you heard about this one? Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. So how many CPCTs are here? 6 are there. 3 angles and 3 sides, pair of sides. All of you follow this one. Do I need to make you to write this one? No need to write now. Congruence. Do you have different tests of congruence are there? Means by the definition, listen here. By this definition, you have to prove 6 parts. It's not necessary. We have different tests or criteria. Okay, criterions of yes. Test of congruence. Yes.
ASA, angle side.
ASA.
Then SAS.
SAS. Over.
AAS. Then
SSS. RHS. There are 5 tests of congruence are there. Look here. Okay, Sharaf. Stand up, Sharaf. What is SAS congruence?
side angle side.
Side angle side. What is that meaning?
Sir, two sides, two angles.
Two sides, two angles. Two sides, two angles.
Two sides and one.
One. Yes.
Sir, this corresponding side, the angle between the two sides.
Two sides and one included angle.
Included angle.
Two sides and the included angle. Angle between them. Did you hear? Don't simply tell a side angle sides. Okay. Sharav,
Yes, sir.
you are standing there now.
Yes, sir.
Permanently stand over there.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So whenever question needed, I'll ask you. Okay. Okay. Yeah. To prove triangle ABC by SAS, what should be given? Alright, tell now what should be given. You need to prove these two triangles are congruent by SAS. What should be given? Can you? No.
So AB is equal to PQ.
AB equal to PQ.
BC is equal to QR.
BC is equal to QR.
And angle C is equal
Angle
to
C. Included angle C. Included angle is what? Angle B should be is equal to angle Q. Then we conclude triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Okay, to prove this is by SAS. Yes, can you tell another way?
AC PR.
Arey, tell fast. Yes.
Acha, AC equals to PR, BC equals to QR, and angle C equals to
Angle C is equal to angle R. Then also by SAS. Okay, understood now? Okay, what happened? All fine now? Whatever they said is correct only, no? Okay. What is the meaning, Rafiq? What is the meaning of SSS? Standard. Range, what is side? Corresponding sides are equal, then the two triangles are congruent. To prove by SSS, what should be? Riddhi?
AB equal to BQ, BC equal to QR, AC equal to PR.
Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by which test? SSS congruence test. Okay, what is ASA? Yes.
Sir, angle B is equal to angle.
Two angles and the included side. Okay, tell me.
Angle B is equal to angle.
Angle B equal to Q.
C equal to R.
Angle C equal to angle R.
BC is equal to
BC is equal to QR. Okay. Another one. You, Grishma. ASA.
Angle A is equal to angle B,
Okay.
angle B is equal to angle Q,
Uh.
PQ and
AB is equal to PQ. Then you will get these two triangles are congruent. Are you following? Jay, are you following? Then look now, two angles. Angle A and angle P. One. Angle B and angle Q. Two. Then between one is AB is equal to PQ. Then we say by ASA. Okay now? Yes. Ayan. What do you mean by AS?
Angle side.
Means
Two
two angles on any one side. Okay, tell me AS.
Angle A is equal to angle B.
Hmm.
Angle B is angle E is equal to angle Q.
Hmm.
And AB is
No, then it is ASA. BC is equal to QR. Okay, another side. Don't take this one, then it will be ASA. Understood or not? Sit down. Okay, yes. Not for question. Tell now one AS, spreadsheet.
yes.
Standard.
Angle A is equal to angle B, angle C is equal to angle R,
Hmm.
and AB is equal to
Angle AB is equal to PQ, therefore triangle ABC congruent to PQR by AS. Okay, follow now. Yes, what is RHS?
into right.
Two right triangles. RHS test is applied only. Only out from here. Okay, I'm telling you. Here only. Yeah, two right triangles are congruent if the hypotenuse and their side is equal to hypotenuse and their side. Means RHS is applied only for which type of triangle? Right triangle. Two right triangle. And remember, if it is a right triangle, it's not necessarily always RHS. It can be a SAS also. Okay, that you see accordingly. Alright, understood? Next, similarity. Similar objects. Do you know what you mean by similar objects? Yes. Similar objects, similar objects. Or right, similar objects means objects of the same shape. Objects of the same shape and size not necessarily be equal. Size not necessarily be equal. Means enlarged and reduced. Enlarged, zoom in, zoom out. Enlarge and reduce. Are you followed? When you go to this one, for example, your festival, Ganpati festival. When you go to buy this one, Ganpati, when you go to the shop, small and big is there now. They all are similar. Small one, big one, similar shape. It is not all are Ganpati because their measurements are correspondingly equal. Okay, or if you went to any building construction, where is this building site? Your. That is why you are doing only what? Yeah. Hello, look here. Whenever the maybe in your society also you must have seen when the building do first they make a model. Okay, not that on 3D model, a blueprint it is on the paper. Model means the shape of the building, small shape they make a building. It is exactly when they construct it should be same like. Means it's an adapter, reduce them. Or if not follow, you click your photos of your face now, you will see lot of monkeys now over there in the face. Okay. Now they will give a sheet of photograph now. Small one, big one, all of them are similar one. Isn't it? One stamp size, passport size, and all the things. Okay, they are similar. Reduce and enlarge. Okay, they are called. Shape is same. Example: circles are similar. Yes or no? They are same shape. Okay, equilateral triangles are similar. They are same shape. Squares are similar, same shape. Okay, what is the difference between similarity and congruence? In congruence, size also should be equal. In similarity, size is not necessarily equal. Okay. What happened? Tell what you want to tell.
तो ये जैसे किसी चैप्टर में है उस छोटे बड़े के चैप्टर पर है
When you do the question, you will see. Don't pass in between all these things. Hello. You followed what is it? Then right. Then tell me what is the meaning of the simple triangle. Sides can be. Right. Similar triangles. Similar triangles. Written below right. Two triangles are said to be similar. Two triangles are said to be similar if one, corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Written. Second, corresponding sides are proportional. Corresponding sides are proportional. Means equal ratio. Corresponding angles are equal, corresponding sides are proportional. What is the meaning of proportional? Equal ratio. All of you listen carefully. Not like Miracle, it is not that easy. You wait and see how it is. The proving similarity and all. Now, look, first of all, notation. Viraj. This is called the triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. In similar means that equal to is being removed. Congruent there was an equal to. What does it mean? corresponding angles. Which are the corresponding angles? Angle A is equal to angle B. Am I, are you listening? Angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle C is equal to angle R. They are called the corresponding angles are equal. Atharva. Then sides proportional is coming. Listen carefully. AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. Equal ratio, what does it mean? If it is 1/3, everything will be 1/3. Or if it is 2/5, everything will be 2/5. Corresponding sides are in equal ratio. Are you followed? Proportional. Did you write this all? Write this one. Triangle ABC. When I discussing why the head is down? Right. Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR means ratio.
But then AB is equal to BC.
If how it is equal? 1/2 and 3, 1/2 and 2/4 are equal ratio. Then they 1 and 2 are equal. Understood? Written triangle ABC similar to Amai. Yeah. Amai stand up. Take the book. Come and sit over here in this bench. Still you will sit behind him only, na? Isn't it? Yes or no? The problem is we start to sit behind him. Now we have places here. Okay? Now you will not sit with the beneath. Okay? You will sit over here. Not sit with the patient behind him also. So let's see who is troubling. Okay. Nobody is troubling now. You know him? What is his name? From which school? Huh? No. Hello. So listen, all of you. Follow. Please stand up. You start talking, she will repeat. Okay. Tell what is the difference between similarity and congruence. Incongruent sides are equal. In similarity, sides are proportional. So all of you write in your book. Right? Sit down. In congruent triangles, corresponding sides are equal. In congruent triangles, corresponding sides are, what is it? Equal. Whereas in similar triangles, corresponding sides are proportional. In similar triangles, corresponding sides are proportional. Corresponding sides are proportional. What is the meaning of proportional? Equal ratio. Written now. Jay, are you following? Look over there and write. Maitreya, show him if he is not completed. Vineet, written? Okay. Now, this much. Now, below next step, right? Every congruent triangle are similar. Every congruent triangle are similar. Whereas every similar triangles are not necessarily congruent. I repeat the statement. Every congruent triangles are similar. Whereas every similar triangles Every similar triangles are not necessarily congruent. What is written on the board? Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Shirisha standard. What is your name? Viraj only, no? Two lines, straight, not straight line. Hello, that is a symbol for approximation. First time we now realize what is it. Okay, all of you know this is what is it? Tell your friend, okay. Chalo, bye. Oh. Yeah. Yes. Listen. What is written over here? DEF. Can you prove that what is written in our book? If the triangles are congruent, they are similar. Can you prove they are similar? How will you prove? You have to corresponding angles. All corresponding angles are equal now. Sides proportional. How will you prove? Loudly. AB upon DE. How did you get? But if they are congruent, what will you get? AB will be equal to DE. Therefore, what is AB upon DE?
1.
Which is equal to Shirisha. How many Shirishas are here? Yeah. 1. Understood. Same way, what will you get? BC is equal to EF. Therefore, BC upon EF also 1. And AC upon DF also. So, all ratios will be equal to 1. Therefore, sides are in equal ratio. Understood, all of you? Okay. Question can come in the exam. Prove that. Then you can write this way. Okay. In congruence, we have how many tests of congruence? 5. Okay. In similarity, we are going to study the test of similarity. Now remember, the same way you will come. There, in similarity, angles are equal and sides are proportional. In congruent, angles are equal and sides are also equal. Sharaf is not listening here, but you are reading something else. Nothing. Yeah. Then don't do nothing. Listen only.
Okay.
What is written over here? A, angle. This is the first similarity. What is it meaning? When the corresponding angles are equal, then the two triangles are similar. Are you followed? Maitri standard. Maitri standing? No. Stand there. Okay. To apply, listen carefully, all of you listen. To prove these two triangles are congruent by AAA, what should be given? Loudly. Angle P equal to angle Q. Huh? Repeat. Start. To prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, what should be given? Side. A is for side. Very good. Nice. And then tell only angle B is equal to Q. Let us start with A now. A is equal to I is equal to P, B is equal to Q, C is equal to R. Therefore, triangle ABC will be similar to triangle PQR by AAA similarity. Are you followed or not? Everyone, sit down. So, hello. Listen here. If it is given angle A and angle P are equal, angle B and angle Q are equal, and angle C and angle R are equal, then immediately what you conclude? Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR by AAA similarity test. Are you followed? Viraj? Not followed? Followed? Yeah. Oi. So then listen now. Okay. Followed? Yes or no? Now listen carefully. Yeah. What is marked over here? Angle A. Rashmi standard. What all things marked over here?
Angle A equal to angle B, angle B equal to angle Q.
That's it. Can you prove these two triangles similar? Can you? No. Yes or no? Riddhi, what do you think? Loudly. Then prove it. Huh? Angle. So should be equal. Huh? What she said? So then tell her loudly. By angle some property, third angle will be equal to the third angle. Yes or no? If angle A and P are equal, angle B and Q are equal, automatically angle C will be equal to angle Q. Even if it is not given. Reason is angle sum property. Okay. Now listen why I said this one. Both of you sit down. We don't need to do this one. We will take double A. That is enough. If two pair of angles are equal, we will write the triangles are similar. You don't need to go for 3A's. Reason is if two pair of angles are equal, third angle, not third angle will be all equal. Reason is what? Angles are proper. Follow now. This is the easiest similarity. Simple one. Check two pair of. Okay. Listen. A fixed standard. How many triangles are there in this figure? Two. Which are the two triangles?
ABC.
ABC and APQ. ABC and APQ. Tell me. Yes. Can you prove these two triangles are similar? Can you?
Yes.
Then tell.
AQ is equal to
AQ. Angle we are talking about, where side is coming. Sit down. Yes, Viraj.
Sir, APQ and ABC na?
APQ and ABC are equal. Why?
Angle is similar.
So prove it now.
Angle A is equal to
Angle A is equal to angle A. Both are common. One more a pair of angle.
Angle B is equal to angle P.
How?
APQ.
Angle APQ is equal to angle ABC, corresponding angles. That's why these are properties you should know. That's enough. Therefore, two pair of angles are equal. Therefore, the two triangles are similar. I repeat the condition. PQ is parallel to BC. Therefore, angle APQ and angle ABC are equal. One pair. Angle A is equal to angle A common. So, two pairs are equal means automatically immediately what we get? Triangle APQ similar to triangle ABC. This you will be seeing at least 50% of the questions. The same thing. Maybe the figure, maybe in another shape it is given, but lot of places. You should know how to prove it. Understood all of you? Okay, now what is the first similarity we said? Triple A or double A. Who is this? Yours. Now, next second one. Listen. Viraj, you would like to join him? Second. What is this one? What is it? SSS. Do you know what is SSS similarity? What is it?
all the sides are equal.
Corresponding sides are proportional. We are talking about the similarity. Understood? What is SSS similarity? Corresponding sides are equal means congruent. Similarity means proportional. Corresponding sides are proportional. Yes, Kondu. We need to prove triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR by SSS similarity. So what should be given?
AB is equal to.
Not AB equal to the ratio AB divided by PQ will be equal to BC divided by QR will be equal to AC divided by PR. Sit down. Understood or not? Yeah.
We don't need to.
We need all three. Why to choose? How we did? Hello? If you have any problem, you tell me. Understood? Why did you take that pencil?
Sir.
Is it your pencil? Give it to him back. Now, understood? It is not this one. Look here.
Sir, but if two sides are given, each side must be.
How it is not possible? No, that is there is no. That is why when I said the triangle, sum of the angles is what 180. Sum of the sides, no relation. Varies now. I can make a triangle with the 2, 3, 4. 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Another triangle I can make 2, 3, 5 also. Are you followed? Like the differences are there. It is not necessary to be the same thing only. Suppose if it is given us are these two triangles are similar?
Yes, sir.
Check the ratio. 3/6. How much? 1/2. 5/10. 1/2. 7/14. 1/2. All the ratios are equal. Therefore, these two triangles are similar. Understood or not? Okay. Now the last similarity. Viraj's favorite. Okay, what is the says? God sleep also God. Future. Okay, that's an idea. Yeah. Yeah. You're in your mind. Now you go. Yeah. What is the say similarity?
Side angles.
I will tell what is the meaning.
Diagram.
Right. Two sides, pair of sides are proportional and the included angle is equal. All of you listen.
Angles cannot be proportional.
Angle should be equal. Okay. What is the meaning of SA similarity? Two sides are proportional and the included angle is equal. Sit down. Standard. Yes. We need to prove these two triangles are similar by SAS similarity. What should be given?
AB upon PQ equals to.
Equal to you have to tell.
Acha,
You cannot simply leave AB upon PQ.
AB
Is
upon
equal to
PQ is equal to 1.
no 1 upon which
Acha,
side
AB
by?
equals to
Arey yaar.
AB divided by PQ equals to PC.
Yes, two pair of sides. Then only ratios will come now. AB, but all of you listen here. If I ask one person, others will listen. 3 times asking. Center of attraction don't become okay. Listen over here. Yeah. Yeah. So you now only you come to know.
So do you
Okay. Yes, AB upon
PQ
is equal to
equals to PC upon
and included angle, which is angle B is equal to angle Q. Sit down. Viraj, apply one SAS criteria over here.
Sir, AB is equal to PQ.
Very good.
AB upon PQ. B is equal to.
Wrong. That is the thing, you people doesn't listen now. Stand up.
AB upon PQ is equal to QR.
QR.
AC upon QR.
So take the ratio of the sides, 2 pair. Already she said. Then why you are copying her? Tell another one.
AC upon.
So AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR. And
B
angle?
angle B is
Angle B, that is the included angle. AB and AC.
angle A is equal to angle
So that everything I have to ask now. Is it so? Is it so? Is it so? Brain doesn't work now. I can attract only others. Sit down. Hello, Maitri, you also listen. There is no SSA. Look now. AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR. So two pair of sides are proportional. And which is the included angle? Angle A is equal to angle P. Understood or not? Then these two triangles are similar by which similarity? SAS similarity. Okay, SAS. Don't think that I said two sides, so SSA will come. No. SAS means two sides included angle. Or if I tell this way, other way also, listen here. I can tell angle A is equal to angle P first. Then which are sides? AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR. If I tell angle C and angle R equal, then to apply what will be? AC upon PR is equal to BC upon QR. Are you followed? These are the three tests of similarity. Which are they? Triple A or double A. In the questions, we will use only double A. You know, there is no need. If you want to use, there is no need additional section. Second one is what? SSS. Third one is what? SAS. All of you write test of similarity. Test of similarity. Write all the three. Yeah. Listen. Hello. I don't need to see these benches move here and there. I'm getting to you first. Yeah, then who push this one? Hello. Stand come in. You stand come out. The white is come put behind. Then what? Without you push, then it will go down. Please don't tell me what to do. If you did some mistake, yes, I did it. That's it. I will not repeat. Hello? It will not go as it is on front. And again, don't argue. This is done, we will done, is done. That's all. I will not do it. Finish. Yeah. So, all of you follow different similarities. Did you write? Now, all of you listen here. Now, I have drawn two triangles. Now, I am going to ask one by one. I need to prove triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. I will tell the criterion, which criterion, then you have to tell what is required. Are we followed?
Yes.
Criterion means test of similarity. Okay. All of you followed? Okay. Now, if I tell AA, if she says same thing, it should not be repeated. Okay. Sattvic standard. I need to prove triangle ABC similar to DEF by AA. Do you know?
Angle B is equal to angle E.
What happened? Del na first, after that I tell.
Angle is with angle.
Huh?
Angle A is with angle E.
Loudly tell.
Angle A is going to
Angle. So why you go for B? So ABC is first you can tell A. Then it's not that ABC first I am going to C, then I am going to B. Then if you are starting with A you tell. Okay, in order. Angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle E. Therefore, these two triangles are similar by sit down. Q. A. So tell now with what should be given.
Angle A is equals to angle B and angle B is equals to angle.
And that already said now, state another pair.
Angle C is equals to angle F and angle B is equals to angle A.
B equal to E and angle C is equal to F. Sit down. Amay. SSS.
AB bar and DE.
Everybody fast
BC by
is equal to.
is equal to here by here equal to BC by
What do you think? I don't know. Rafiq, stand up. What's SSS?
AB equal to DE.
AB equal to D. Stand up. SSS.
AB is a ratio
AB upon by.
D BC.
No, there is no symbol. Ayan.
Yes.
SSS.
AB upon BC. AB upon DE equal to AC upon DF is equal to BC upon DF.
Oh, very good. Did you all hear? When similarity means ratio. How to take the ratio? One quantity divided by another quantity is equal to one quantity divided by another quantity. Understood or not? Sit down. Riddhi. SAS.
AB equals AB upon DE. Angle
Hello. What AB upon DE should
AB
be?
upon DE equals to DF.
Huh?
So AB upon
Shirisha. Shirisha.
AB upon DE is equal to AC upon DF.
Hmm.
And angle A is equal to
Angle A is equal to angle B. So complicated to tell now. Sit down. I was telling now AB equal to how much you did. Next one. Yeah. SAS.
angle BC is
Angle BC.
sorry, side BC upon DF is equal to side AC upon DF and angle C is equal to
Angle C is equal to angle F. Are you followed now? Now look, whenever you write the similarity, the numerator will be the side of the first triangle. Denominator will be the side of the second triangle. Remember always, it will not interchange. This one, if I take the first triangle or this one, then DE upon AB. Next should be, start with here, EF upon BC is equal to DF upon AC. This much is clear? These all similarity followed? Okay. Write one question. This is written now. Yes, question. In triangle ABC. In triangle ABC. PQ parallel to BC. In triangle ABC, PQ parallel to BC. Written all of you?
yes sir.
Prove that triangle APQ similar to triangle ABC.
Triangle ABC.
Written? Okay. Draw the figure, all of you. Figure is not given you means you have to must draw. Remember to carry the scale and pencil at least. Not this way with the just drawing. Draw the figure. Figure is the part. Mark the parallel also. What is the symbol? Corresponding angles are equal here to put na. Understood? What that is the way of drawing parallel. Look here. Try to understand the mistakes. Look. You have drawn this way. How will you mark parallel? This is what PQ. Okay. Now, how we are going to prove this one is
हो गया
हो गया
हो गया
now, right? I need the following steps should be there. Write down. In triangle A, if it is written, no need to rewrite. In triangle APQ. In triangle APQ and triangle ABC. Angle A is equal to angle A. Reason is common. Written all of you?
Yes, sir.
Second one. Angle APQ is equal to angle ABC. Reason. Who said that alternate interior angle?
Corresponding.
Reason PQ parallel to BC, comma corresponding angles. Because of the parallel corresponding angles. Are you followed? Therefore, triangle APQ similar to triangle ABC. Reason is AA criterion or AA test of similarity. AA test of similarity. This much should be written. Now look here. Question comes for this is coming means this is 2 marks. 2 lines only. With this one, now look here. If I give this one, it can come to us a 3 mark instead of this one. They may ask, prove that what is the ratio of the sides is coming? AP upon AB is equal to PQ upon BC is equal to PQ upon AC. Automatically then, suppose if we are writing what is the reason corresponding sides of single. That you will write that is not asked, this is over. Your question is what? Triangle similar. Thank you. Now we have to prove this much only. Beyond if they ask me, then you are right. Understood or not? Now look here. Similarity, little one more explanation I will give, then we have to start the exercise. Listen carefully. Next class when you are coming, homework I already said. What is the homework I said? Quadratic equation, code you have to complete at one side. Plus one sum I have given. Okay. Plus what? Listen here. Problems in quadratic equations there na? 5 questions. PBQ first 5 questions. That much is enough. Bring problems based on quadratic equation. Let me finish. Bring volume 1 and 2. One scale and one section.
फोन 40 का एक
Sir, expert.
Another one.
And a big fan.
Hello.
Yes.
अरे वो मास्क पहन के यहाँ नहीं
पहला वाला तो कुछ भी खाने का से उससे लगा तुझे मारा है
अरे वो टेबल था थोड़ा सा
बे टेबल थोड़ी
वही है अरे हाँ हाँ लास्ट में
अरे देखो नहीं बात है ये भी नहीं कर सकती है
सॉरी ना बाय सर अंकल ये पेपर मेरा नहीं है एब्सेंट है
कौन ना गाने के
किसको
आगे तक इतना
म्यूट को
हाँ यार